Welcome back to this video. Sometimes we try to use our camera to take a picture or to record a video, and after we capture the shoot, whether video or photo, we find out that each time we are doing this, a brand watermark is going to appear on our photo or video. Like for instance, if I open up my camera right here and I try to make a shot, now when I open the photo, brand watermark is going to appear just like what you see right here. Now, how we can simply get rid of this and remove brand watermark on every shot, whether video or photo on our Android phone. Let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your camera like this. Then having opened up your camera, next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to customize watermarks. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn off this particular button right here. Brand watermark, turn it off. Once you turn it off, go back to your camera, go back again. Then by the time I make another shot, so let's check it out. Now you see that there is no watermark appear on this. And this is after, why this is before. This is before and this is after. It's that simple. For more tutorial about camera on Android phone setting like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.